the same? Is this reality or a corrupted dream? Yeah. Poppy, crimson flame, blooming in the hills without a name. Forests fall, the rivers weep, authority sleeps in shadows deep. Is the hill not Manipur's heart, or a theater where laws depart? Who governs silence when the valley bleeds, while poppy grows unchecked in the weeds? Poppy, who do you serve? Tell me, what is the profit of pain? A field of flowers, a kingdom of chains. Is this wealth or a curse? A forest destroyed, a poison shrine. Poppy in the hills, laughing in the fire, dancing on the ruins of a world for hire. Scarlet temptation, fragile and wild, but where is the justice for undefiled? Ooh, yeah. Poppy grows free while people despair. Flood in the valley but dry in the heart. Poppy loves the hills, roots run deep. It thrives while the guardians fall asleep. If the forest cries, does Delhi hear, or is silence the anthem of power and fear? Fear. Poppy in the hills, freedom in disguise, but every petal hides 1,000 lies. The valley's chained, the hills are free to weights, to measures, hypocrisy. Justice is blind, why does she choose a poppy crown or the people's truths? Ah, poppy purple. Ah, poppy, Poppy laughs, the forest cries, equality fades beneath the skies. If wisdom sleeps, then greed will reign till truth awakens to break the chain.